Hi, I'm Kim Brewer. I work here at the Best Western Burley Inn and Convention Center, and I am the executive housekeeper. I think the biggest challenge was actually finding chemicals that worked and not having to buy additional chemicals from a different company to try to get the job done that we were doing. With our previous provider, we were using 13 chemicals and sometimes having to add more. With Gem State, we're down to 5, and that is all we need. So the housekeeping chemicals is where I personally have seen the biggest changes. There was just lint everywhere. Inside, the girls were breathing it in. Outside, you could make a blanket with what was in the parking lot, and that has almost completely gone away. Linens are brighter. The colors actually match. You don't have like an off-white, a yellow-white, a blue-white. They're all the same color. A lot of our housekeepers have said that, like, even for them, it's like a lot less harsh on their skin, on their breathing, all of that. But yet, this rooms still smell amazing when you go in. Like, as soon as you walk in, you can tell that they've been cleaned. We have went from being number 5 in cleanliness on our social media outlooks to being number 1 in just the few short months that we've been doing it. Cleaning time's easier, shorter. Rooms smell great. They're fresh. When you walk in, you can tell that they've been cleaned. So it's been really amazing. With our previous provider, we had to call in. If they had them in warehouse, we could get them, but it was never till next week. Most of the time it was not in the warehouse, so we would have to wait 2 to 3 weeks to get it. We even, at one point, had to share with the hotel behind us. Luckily, they were gracious enough to borrow us some stuff. So working with Gem State, they're here and they're local. It makes a huge difference in how we operate. Now we're able to order when we need, only what we need, not more than we need. So it's been really, really amazing. Working with Gem State Paper these last few months has been amazing. They've always done a really good job for us. They're always on top of it. They're always a phone call away if you need anything. That's a huge plus for us because, as you know, hoteliers, we never know how busy we're going to be or if we're going to run out of one thing or another. And they're really great about getting it to you quick. My favorite thing about working with Gem State Paper, honestly, is their customer service and how much they go above and beyond to help me and get me through. Like I said, they're a phone call away, local, they're here. It's truly, truly amazing.